I heard that Quanzhou Jiuri Mountain Wind-Praying Inscriptions are spectacular, so today I'm going to take a look. The Jiuri Mountain Wind-Praying Inscriptions are located in Quanzhou City, East China's Fujian province. The cliff inscriptions record the annals that local governors of the Song Dynasty would lead a group of officials and members of the royal clan to make sacrificial offerings to a temple on the mountain in Quanzhou every summer and winter. They prayed for the monsoon to take the ships to their destinations safe and sound. These precious inscriptions are a historical archive for the ancient maritime Silk Road and friendly exchanges between China and other countries in the 12th to 13th centuries. They are also the world's only remaining record of wind-praying ceremonies for overseas maritime traffic.